Turn the radio off. Turn it off. Copyright music.
Well, that didn't work. Let's go.
I think it's locked. We need to go find the key. Check the mailbox.
Locked unless you know. Nothing's ever locked unless you have a solution.
Terry.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Wow, what the fuck happened?
Bro, a hand just came out the mailbox and grabbed my face.
You fucking lying. Oh, she was. Yeah, you know what? Maybe this the wrong house to rob. Maybe this the wrong house, bro. Wait, let me store. Terry, over here, found it. Let's go. You found that house, my boy. Alright, time for you to open up.
What did you say, nigga?
Oh. Wee. Terry, what the fuck? What up? Bruh, Terry. Where are we, bruh?
What?
I don't know, some long, narrow step.
Oh!
You good? Why would you jump down? Dumb it.
I don't know, it just felt right in at the moment.
What do you mean by that?
Sorry, I was calling you slave, but I didn't know what else to do. With my father being sick and
why am I
at
in
the hospital
myself?
all day. I really do appreciate it. It should be a rather simple night, a slow one. Although there is a task that must be finished by tomorrow morning. Sheriff Burke an interesting woman no one could identify, and they need a cause of death for the press tomorrow. Enter the office, grab the key, then come on back and find our freezer. After that...
Good. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. FBI, open up. Try it on something. Oh,
hey.
Bruh, them grippers! I think he died.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Whoa. What the? You is on some bull.
Sweet. Go ahead and transport her over to the autopsy room so you can go ahead.
Terry, Okay. Alright. So this is obviously S. Hold on. Wait, past it. S. And then this one right here is A. And this one right here is...
Why are you talking?
M.
This one is L. Oh, freak. And then that one right there is...
I'm not sure what to make of all this.
Salem.
We need to get the hell out of here. I'm not so sure if we should finish it off, but I know one thing is for sure. You're never leaving.
But you what? Oh no.
Oh my god.
Terry, this is what happens when you do drugs! This is what happens when you do drugs! This is what happens when you do drugs! Why do you do drugs? Why is this wrong with me? What is wrong with you? What did you do? Terry! Terry, she been like...
Relax.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping. What the fuck did you do? What did you do? Oh, there he is. He's short. Whoa! What the? Push it out, 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 push it out. How was that? Why would you pick that up? I was thinking about the grippers, my boy.
Oh.
Terry! 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 Oh, oh.
Bruh, why did you take so long to look back?
3. Oh, okay, Terry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have to send one of you to go flip it back on. Bring the flashlight.
Maybe it's 0283. Depending on how difficult it was.
Terry, look around you! Look around you!
What?
Oh. Wait. Oh. No. Oh no! You get away from me! You get away from me! Get away! Please! No! Ah, it just pimps back me. You stay away from me. Oh, I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Terry.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here.
No shit, Sherlock.
Holy shit, you did it. Grab the key
Whoa.
and head to the cellar door. It's time to leave this damned place.
You make a lot of sense, my boy. I appreciate it. I'm about to head out because that dude came up behind me and he pimp slapped me. For real? Oh,
Is someone there? I heard some commotion and noticed the lights going on and off and thought I'd see if you needed help.
open the
The door's
door.
locked out here. Try and open it up.
Yeah, I got you.
Come on, open it up. Open it up. Open
I'm
up.
trying.
Open up. Just open up your heart and let this
Hey, Terry, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
All my odds dead.
Well, you see, Terry was retarded. Anyway, so, well, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If y'all made it this far through, I told myself I wasn't gonna play no scary games, especially not with this retard. But if y'all enjoyed the video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. And like I said, I have more future uploads planned and coming. So if you close your eyes, okay, anyway.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
Just like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. I hate my life. Please kill me.